This is the CEO and founder of Shobha, Mr. PNC Menon. He is the current chairman. His son Ravi Menon also works with us. So basically, Shobha company was founded in Dubai in 2014 and in India in 1994. The origins of Mr. PNC Menon is from Kerala, Thrissur, India. He started his career in 1976 in Oman. First, he started from very humble beginnings, and then eventually in Muscat, Oman, he got the contract of the palaces. As you can see, the golden run from 1984 to 1992, he's just making palaces, due to which his full family has even given the Omani citizenship. So now he's the richest Omani citizen, and of course he's contributed a whole lot all over the world in contractual works. In Dubai, we have come in 2003, first as a contractor, and then eventually he started his own company in 2014, which is Shobha Heartland. So our first community is where we are standing right now, Shobha Heartland 1 community. Now we have 13 more projects. We have handed over our first set of homes in 2018, which was around 7 to 8 years ago, and we have partnered in this lately. We partnered with IFA, which is an Indian awards show, the Arsenal Football Club in England, which we have the sports complex in our Solace project, and also the Indian Cricket Council. Now if you look behind us, we have mentioned backward integration. So backward integration basically something which Shobha follows, which means everything in Shobha is in-house. We don't have external contractors for building, for us sourcing our raw materials, none of that. Everything is in-house, from sourcing till execution, engineering, design, planning, everything. So that way you can rest assured you're getting the best quality, very consistent, and the best price for that quality, and you're also getting timely delivery. So it will never be delayed due to any external factors, because everything is controlled in-house. So now we will actually look at the construction quality. You will see what is actually going inside the walls and the floors. This is the thickness of the rods which is going to be inside the walls. This ensures that you will have very strong reinforcement of your apartment or your villa. Then you will see this, it's a 15 centimeter thick rock wool. This rock wool is basically insulation for fireproofing, moisture, heat, cold. So it's temperature weatherproofing material. Then you have the concrete on the walls, and then 6 layers matte emulsion paint. The external cladding from outside the project. So this will be outside apartments, and this is outside villas. This is protecting the structure of the building from external factors, also keeping your building newer for longer. Amenities area has this decking, which is 50% plastic, 50% wood. So also very superior material. You will have this void below the pool areas in every building, which is for maintenance work, if any. So the pool doesn't have to be drained out for any kind of work. So always uninterrupted amenities. Now this is the best part about Shobha. So as you can see, these are all the layers that you have in the floors. The black part which we see is a rubber acoustic sheet that would be present in every square inch of the apartment. Above which we have a shiny layer which is the waterproofing sheet. Then we have the concrete, cement, tiles and flooring. Rubber acoustic sheet is usually mandatory only in the kitchen and bathrooms, but in Shobha you will have it in every square meter of the apartment, which ensures you will have soundproof apartments and noise proof, so you cannot hear sounds from above your apartment no matter someone is dragging furniture or anything. It's completely soundproof. So all the ceramics that you will have in the bathrooms, the basins, the washrooms, the bathtub, that will all be Duravit or above the brand, German brand. Now you look at the shower cross section. Very important attention to detail is that you have slanting tiles in the bathroom, which ensures the water to drain out easily, so there will be no clogging of water in the shower.
That's how they always. I just want to show you something very interesting.
So this is the kitchen bathroom cross section. As you can see, 40-liter capacity hot water heater in each bathroom. You have the UPVC pipes inside the walls, so you cannot hear the sound of the water in the pipes. And then there's hot cold water pipes, and you can see all the pressure regulators, how neatly they are laid out. Bathroom comes fully fitted with the glass doors for the shower, LED mirrors with light. It comes with the shelves below the sink, and you will have all mosaics and tiles and a lot of space for storage. So it's completely ready to move in the bathrooms. So kitchen, the layouts will be as per the 2D plan that we choose, but just to show you the basics and the finishing, all kitchens come fully equipped, whether it's semi-furnished or fully furnished. All of them come with the fridge, freezer, all German brands with 10-year warranty. It comes with the dishwasher, and it comes with the fire gas, electric oven, ducted chimney, and as many size of the apartment, as big the size of the apartment, you have soft close cabinets.
These are all Germans, huh?
All German brands with 10-year warranty to note. and you have the scratch proof and heat proof quartz material countertop. So there is no way that the tenants, like it's protecting the investors, because tenants or anyone, even if you cut vegetables on this, you cannot scratch the countertop. In all apartments, in each bedroom you will have fitted wardrobe. This is usually the MDF material which is used for wardrobes, but this is the material what Shobha is using, which is pure wood, as you can see. So we even put a cross section here. It's solid wood. You can see the strength of this. You could even put luggage on it, and it's really strong and sturdy. It comes with the soft close cabinets. So since it's not MDF, it's pure wood, it will be more long lasting, waterproof as well. Consistent quality, because everything is made in our factories. We have facades, balconies, modular for the kitchen. So all of this is fitted in our separate factory, which are in UAE itself, and then they're gone and fixed on the side. So you know that you're definitely getting consistent quality, because everything is made by ourselves in-house. So it will be 54 mm thick. This is fireproofing material. It's a very special type of wood. You have rubber acoustics here as well. So again, this is soundproof and up to a certain extent fireproof door. You can see the internal doors also 43 mm thick, 2.5 meter in height. You have the full rubber acoustics on the edge, and these are soft closed doors. So even if you will bang, they will not make a loud noise. The balconies are standard in every apartment, either 1 to 2 balconies depending on the size we go for. This is the balcony glass. This is unbreakable. As you can see, it's very strongly integrated into the aluminium, which is drilled into the cement and covered with another layer of concrete. So it's really unbreakable. Then in Dubai, as we know, there may be sandstones. So we have a container here to collect the sand so it doesn't clog your drains. You can empty it periodically, and you can have. This is the glass of the balcony sliding door. The same glass we have for floor to ceiling glass facade. Wherever there is no balcony, there will be glass for views and for light. And it's one-way glass. It doesn't make heat come through or sound. So it's soundproof and heat proof. So this balcony door is also made in-house, and once it is locked, basically it is soundproof and dust proof.